Every day, this factory turns raw ingredients into millions of meals.
This is what it takes to feed a nation.
Let me show you how it's really made.
It starts before sunrise, when the first trucks roll in.
Every person, every ingredient goes through the same strict checkpoint.
Hygiene here isn't optional.
This is where it all begins. Every ingredient arrives chilled and tracked.
Before anything enters, it has to pass inspection.
Temperature and freshness checked on every batch.
Vegetables, grains, proteins, all arriving within hours of harvest.
Once approved, the journey begins. Nothing sits out. Everything stays below 4 degrees. Consistency starts with control. Even the machines here are built for the cold.
Every crate is tracked to the final tray. Washing isn't a rinse, it's a full operation. Every leaf cleaned before it's touched by hand.
This step removes what the eye can't see. Precision cutting means even cooking.
What took hours by hand now takes seconds. Size matters. Uneven cuts mean uneven cooking. Meat is trimmed by hand, where precision still wins.
Flavor begins long before the pan.
Every batch is tested before it touches the meat.
Tumbling locks the flavor deep inside. Now it's ready for the heat.
These kettles cook enough sauce to fill a pool.
Slow and constant, just like a chef would do.
This tunnel replaces an entire kitchen.
Every second is programmed to the degree.
Fully cooked, ready to plate.
Even the rice comes out the same, tray after tray.
Someone tastes it before a single tray is filled.
If it fails, the whole batch get held.
A lab checks for safety, not just taste. Only then does it move forward. From boiling hot to chilled in minutes.
This stops bacteria in its tracks. Now it's ready for assembly.
This is where the meal comes together. Every tray gets exactly the same amount.
Protein goes on next, placed with precision.
Color and nutrition engineered into every meal.
The final touch, poured with pinpoint accuracy.
He watches every tray, Breend. One mistake means a recall.
Every tray is weighed before it moves on.
A few grams off, and it's pulled aside instantly. Nothing incomplete reaches your table.
Now it's time to seal in the freshness. Heat sealed under pressure so nothing gets in.
Removing the air keeps it fresh for weeks. Sealed, safe, and ready for final checks. Every label tells the full story of what's inside. This code means any problem can be traced in seconds. Full traceability, all the way back to the farm. Before it goes further, it has to pass through this. Even the smallest fragment would stop this line. An X-ray checks what even metal detectors can't see. This happens on every tray, every single time. Even with all this tech, human eyes get the final word.
A trained eye catches what machines sometimes miss.
Random checks happen constantly. Proved. On to the next stage. Now it drops from warm to frozen in under 30 minutes.
Fast freezing locks in the texture.
From kitchen to freezer in under an hour. Now it's time to box them for the journey ahead.
Even the boxes are built without a single human hand.
Sealed tight, ready for the road.
Every case is matched to where it needs to go.
What took a kitchen a day now stacks itself in seconds. One tight wrap keeps it secure for the road ahead.
Each pallet holds thousands of meals, ready to travel.
Before they leave, every pallet waits here, frozen and ready. This warehouse can hold millions of meals at once.
Every pallet here is tracked to the minute it arrived.
From here, it's just hours from a store shelf near you.
Another truckload, another few 100,000 meals. Heading out.
From raw ingredients to your table, Yoaken. This happens every single day.